Welcome back to another Motivational Monday. Today's root cause of workplace burnout or chronic stress is a lack of quality support. Surprise, surprise, strong women need strong support systems. Yet often as women in the workplace, we're supporting many people, many projects, but if we're not receiving the same quality support from our leader, that is going to be a source of chronic stress. So what do I mean by that? Some things that you need to consider in this area. Are you having ongoing, consistent one-to-ones with your manager or your leader? If not, that's a gap. Ask them at least every 30 minutes every 2 weeks. Is the quality of conversation high, or are there areas for improvement within those conversations? Are you receiving feedback? Are you getting opportunities for coaching? These are all of the important things that you need to be asking yourself. Outside of your leader, what does your support system look like? Are you a high-performing leader that needs extra support in terms of mentorship or even executive coaching? It's really up to you to plug in the support system gaps and ask for what you need. And at a very minimum, make sure that you're having consistent one-to-ones with your manager and with your leader. That will ultimately reduce your stress. Good luck, and I'll see you soon.